Can an online business make you rich? The answer is simply yes. Hi, my name's Riza, and I'm your online coach, and I'm here to tell you how possible online business can make you rich. Online business has the potential to make you rich, just as a traditional brick and mortar business does. Success in online business typically depends on the factors such as providing a valuable product or service, effective marketing, customer service, and financial management. However, not all online business succeed just like any other business ventures. Why? Because it requires dedication, innovation, and the ability to adapt to market change. And most importantly, your persistence to build a successful online business. It is important to do a thorough research, especially to the business or company that you're joining from. Another thing, if you stay informed about the industry trends and if you're willing to put in the hard work necessary to achieve your own online business success. If you're looking for an online business idea to start, join me on the exciting journey of starting your own online business today with all the tools, website marketing, and training videos all provided for you. Let's seize the opportunity to turn our ideas into successful ventures together. With dedication, innovation, willingness to learn, and hard work, we can create the thriving online business of our dreams and finally achieve financial security. Take the first step forward to your financial independence and click the link in my bio. Join me in building a brighter future for you and your family. If you're ready to take the leap, let's start your online business journey today.